Lois, what were we attempting to do on the bikes today?
Willow and Mike, we're going to attempt to win the kit today. Go towards Helmsley, set off at, what's my saying? We're about half an hour in so far.
Early start. Gonna try and get over 100k in. See how we feel. Try and get 150k, that's the goal. Look at this view.
Look at the view now.
What are they for it?
Right, Leo?
25k in, 9:15. Most people are still in bed. If you're still in bed, you should get up, pal, and get your exercise in.
Do you mean you got 50 burpees in there?
Having a little stop in Ampleforth at the shop. Nice round here. Beastie little climb we've just done there. 40k in, made it to Helmsley. This is Mike's only second ever ride. Lois's furthest ride's only been 60k. Whoa, and we're off out on a big one today. Billsdale. Nice place. Doesn't get much better than this. 11 o'clock in the morning. Already racked up 50k on the bike. Most 16-year-olds still in bed. Hey up, pal. 70k in. Just had a little break. Bit of lunch. We're in this place called Stokesley. Got no idea where we are, but we've probably got about 70k left, and we'll probably rack up about 140, 150k. Look at this for an hill. We were over that big nipple about 2 hours ago. Plenty of hills today. 100k in. You always want to be eating and drinking a lot on your rides. I say every half an hour or so on a long ride, or you'll bonk like M2 back there. 125k in. I was feeling good, so I put some power down. Now I've dropped them two, no idea where they are. Finished our ride, ended up doing 140k in the end. Average speed 21k an hour. A lot of ascent, a lot of hills. Smashed it.